Hi friends, as a mentor at I Create program, I used to answer several questions every day. Most questions are very basic about WordPress websites and I used to address every question because we are targeting to make every WordPress website successful and performing. In this video, I have a very basic question: how to change WordPress admin email. It sounds like so easy, but it is not. If you are not changing the admin email of your WordPress website, you might be in problem in future. It means you should have the access of the email that has been used as an administrator at your WordPress website. It is necessary. So I am going to tell you 3 methods step by step on how you can change your WordPress administrator email easily and effectively, because if you are not changing it properly, it is not going to work. The first thing that I wish to show you where you can find the admin email that is being used at your WordPress website. So go to the setting. In the general setting, you can find the email that is registered as an administrator at your WordPress website. So this is the administration email address and you have to take control on this email address. This address is used for admin purpose. If you change this, an email will be sent to new address to confirm it. This new address will not become active until confirmed. So it is mandatory to have access on the email that you are going to target or you are going to change. So how we can change this? It looks simply, we can change this like if we are changing this like WP themes at gmail.com. Please don't communicate over this email. It is not being regularly checked. So it is just for testing purposes. So I just change this. This is being the first method. Okay, so it does not take effect. There is a pending change to admin email to this email ID that I just updated here. So if I am not having this access, it is not going to work. So I got a confirmation mail here at my email address that I updated there, and I need to confirm this change through clicking on this link. This is the simplest method that we can use and everyone can do this without having any specific skill. So it is really important thing to consider. If you are not getting this mail, what you can do. So this is the main focus of this video that I wanted to address, because if your mail system, if your email system configured at your WordPress website not working and you are not receiving this confirmation mail, how you can change this? Let us check. Like I am going to confirm this email first and let us see how it takes effect. I just pasted the link here, and just to confirm the change may take effect. Let us see how it works. So now it got changed and there is no alert here. So this is the simplest method that we can use for changing the administration email address at WordPress website. But yes, it works only when you are receiving email from your WordPress website. So in 20 to 25% cases, I have seen email system does not work at WordPress installations, and this may be a trouble while you are attempting to change the email address, admin email address, of course. And I must mention one thing, and mostly emails received for changing related thing in spam. So don't forget to check the spam directory, spam folders of your email box, maybe or Gmail or Yahoo, whatever. So it comes generally in spam. So it is very important thing. Don't try to find if you did not find in the inbox, it may be in a spam or promotion folder. So you have to take care about that. So I was discussing when you are not receiving email on your new email address, what you can do. So there is a plugin WP Mail SMTP that you can find in the WordPress repository plugin area that you need to install to change the SMTP system at your WordPress installation to get the email, to fix the email issue that is not being received through your WordPress website. So I have already made another video on this channel, and I believe you are already a subscriber to this channel. If not, please subscribe this channel. If you are anyhow connected to our WordPress website, you have hundreds of resources, hundreds of themes, plugins to compare, learn, and all those things that you need for your WordPress website. Okay, so you can install this plugin if your email system is not working and configure the things that is required things, and you can fix your email issue at your WordPress website if it is not working. If you are not receiving emails from your WordPress website, this plugin may help you. Coming back to the point, so we are targeting how we can change the admin email address of our WordPress website. So I have already shown you the first method that is very easy and everyone can do this. Subjected, the email system is working fine. But here is a very important thing that is generally missed during the changes. This is the user, the user account of this super admin WordPress website. Super admin account of this WordPress website has the previous email and it does not take effect. How it can be changed? Because if the administrator email has been changed, that is fine. That can help you in recovery purposes. But for general updates, as an administrator of your WordPress website, you should have control on this email ID, which is not changed once I show you the screen again. We change the email address using the first method here, but the user account, the only one user at this WordPress website, maybe at your installation multiple users, but for basic WordPress installation there remains only one administrator, and this account, this email has not been changed even we change the administrator email ID from the general setting. What we can do? So let us edit this and let us try to change this from this interface. Okay, so now I'm going to change this email address again. And if you change this, an email will be sent to new email address to confirm it. Okay, sorry, this is being the same method, but it is also equally important to change this email address as well, which is generally ignored. I have seen, so admin and email address gets changed, but it is not this one, the user account. Okay, so now another email has been sent. Let us check the new email. Okay, so there is another mail in the spam again, and yes, email change request. So I'm going to copy this link and we'll go to this, and these all things that I can do is only because my email system of this WordPress installation is working, and if it is not working for your installation, I have already shown you a plugin that you can use to fix the email issue. Okay, so now this has also been changed. So the first method is complete. Let us go to the second method of changing email address, administrative email address of your WordPress website. So my main target to show you the database access and how you can change the administrative email address of your WordPress website using database if you are not having access on all these things. So I will show you the database changes, the email address change through database. But yes, I have another solution, that is the method 2 for this video. Change WordPress admin without verification. Like we just change the admin email using verification method. But if you want to change the WordPress admin email without verification, how you can do this? So we have a plugin for this. I'm going to show you that particular plugin. So you have to use a plugin called Change Admin Email. It has been developed by John D and it is being regularly updated. You can easily trust on this. So this plugin allows you an administrator to change the site admin email option without sending a confirmation mail from the server. So this is very important. So if you are still having access on your WordPress website, I mean, you don't want to use the database method that I am going to show you next, and you want to change the email address, but your mailing system is not working, your previous email access is not there, or the new email access is not there, but still you want to, there might be several cases. So you still want to change the email address. You can install this plugin if you are having access on your WordPress website, of course. So you can install this plugin. The name is Change Admin Email. This is a free plugin. You don't need to pay anything. It is available on the WordPress repository itself, and you can easily change the administrative email using this method. So I'm not going to install this plugin. It works fine. I have already checked this. So you can go with this. This is being the method 2. Now I'm coming back to the main method, that is the database change method of changing the admin email address of WordPress account. But there is a very important consideration for the third method, that is changing the email address using database method. You need to have access on your PHP My Admin, mainly on your hosting account. So change WordPress admin via PHP My Admin, how it can be done. But yes, the main considerations, you need to have access on your cPanel or PHP My Admin. So since we are using the cPanel based hosting plan, and you can also avail the same, this is really a very wonderful hosting that we are using and even providing. You can also have the same through the WP News website. Just follow the video description link, you'll find everything. But yes, so we have to access the PHP My Admin of respective database that is being used for this WordPress installation. So first of all, we need to identify the database that is being used at WordPress website, and how you can do this. There might be several installations at your WordPress hosting, like I am having multiple websites on this shared hosting plan. But yes, we can simply identify the database that is being used for this website, for which we are willing to change the administrative email address. So how we can find the database name? That can be a very, very good question. And it is also a very question over the chats or on the Discord connects that we use to answer most often. So how we can identify the database that is used for our WordPress website. Okay, so coming back, and I'll show you the tools area. Under tools section, you can go to the site health area. So under tools, you will find an option for site health, and you can further go to the info sections. And under info section, you will find the server or the database details. So here are the database details, and here is the database name. So this is the database name. Again, don't use these credentials. It is only for demonstration purpose. So we have to access this particular database through our cPanel. So let us go to the PHP My Admin, and I'll simply open the PHP My Admin. This is PHP My Admin, and we are going to access the said database. So this is all database, and we have to access this database. Okay, so in the database tables, you'll find the option tables here. So this may be in the prefix of your database table, and this is the option table which you have to expand. And at the option table, you'll find the email address that is being used as administrator. You can simply edit this email address, and once you edit this email address, you have to click on go. Don't forget to click on go. So this will change the administrative email address, but it is not done yet. You have to change the user email address as well, as I shown in the first method. So go to the users again, and you might be having multiple users. So if there are multiple users, find the administrative one and simply edit the user table here, and you can update the email address here again. So once you done the changes at these both tables, I mean at user table and at options table, your administrative email address gets changed using PHP my admin method. So this is the developer friendly method, you can say, that you can use just in case if you don't have any access but you are having access on your hosting. So this can be a very good method, and all these methods are very effective that I shown you, and I believe these methods are really going to help you in controlling the administrative address of your WordPress website. So I believe you are going to watch next video as well. I'm coming with a great resource for your WordPress website. Don't miss. Keep watching, keep reading. Thank you.